Most people think starting a real business means big money, big risk, and a big factory. But the truth is, some of the most reliable income today comes from small machines quietly working inside homes and garages. In this video, I'm showing you 8 little-known money-making machines you can use to start a business from home. These are practical machines, not trends. Each one turns simple work into repeat income. I'll explain what the machine does, how it works, what it costs, and how much you could realistically earn per day if you use it consistently. Let's start with number 1. Number 1, nail making machine. This is one of the most basic but underrated machines in small manufacturing. A nail-making machine takes steel wire and cuts it into nails of specific sizes. The wire feeds automatically, gets straightened, cut, and shaped at a high speed. Small models are compact and can run in a garage or a small workshop. Entry-level machines usually cost around $1,500 to $3,000, depending on speed and nail size range. These machines are commonly used to supply hardware shops, furniture makers, and local construction contractors. Nails are a repeat purchase product, which makes this business stable. Quality control is simple, mainly checking size and strength. With basic packaging, nails can be sold in bulk or small packs. If you produce around 80 to 100 kilograms of nails per day and earn a modest margin, a realistic daily earning potential is around $80 to $150. This is not fast money, but it is steady and scalable. Many operators expand later by adding more machines or sizes. Number 2, portable carpet finishing machine. This machine focuses on repair and finishing rather than full carpet production. It trims edges, seals borders, and restores worn carpet ends. The machine works by applying controlled heat or stitching to reinforce carpet edges. Most portable units are lightweight and easy to move. Prices usually fall between $700 and $1,500 depending on features. This machine is often used by carpet installers, cleaning companies, and home service providers. You can offer on-site repair services or work from a small home space. Carpet repair is cheaper than replacement, so demand stays consistent. Jobs are usually quick and paid per piece or per room. One operator can handle several jobs per day. If you complete 4 to 6 small jobs daily at reasonable service rates, daily earnings can reach $100 to $200. This business relies more on local marketing than production volume. It works especially well in residential areas. Number 3, mobile phone case design machine. This machine allows you to print or customize phone cases on demand. It works using UV printing or heat transfer technology to apply designs directly onto blank cases. Designs are loaded digitally and printed in minutes. Small machines usually cost between $100 and $2,500. These machines are popular for personalized gifts, brand promotions, and online sales. You can offer custom names, photos, logos, or patterns. The process is simple and does not require technical skills. Phone cases are lightweight and easy to store. Profit comes from customization rather than volume. One case may take only a few minutes to produce. With a reasonable margin, if you sell 15 to 25 cases per day, daily earning potential is around $120 to $250. This works well with social media marketing and local orders. Consistent design quality is the key to repeat customers. Number 4, glass laser engraving machine. This machine engraves designs onto glass surfaces using a focused laser beam. It works without ink or chemicals. The laser permanently marks logos, names, or patterns on glass items. Small desktop models typically cost between $2,000 and $4,000. These machines are commonly used for trophies, drinkware, decorative items, and corporate gifts. The engraving process is clean and precise. Once set up, the machine runs automatically. Glass items can be sourced cheaply in bulk. Custom engraving adds significant value. Orders are often bulk or repeat for events and businesses. If you engrave 20 to 30 items per day at standard rates, realistic daily earnings can reach $150 to $300. This business benefits from partnerships with event planners and gift shops. Skill improves quickly with practice. Number 5, mini 3D printer. A mini 3D printer creates objects by layering melted plastic according to digital designs. It works by following a file and printing layer by layer. Entry-level machines cost around $300 to $800. These printers are widely used for prototypes, spare parts, tools, and custom items. You can print phone stands, small organizers, replacement parts, or educational models. Material costs are low and predictable. Printing can run overnight with minimal supervision. Quality depends on calibration and material choice. The business works best with niche products rather than generic items. If you sell small printed items consistently and complete 10 to 20 prints per day, daily earning potential is around $50 to $120. This machine works well for learning manufacturing fundamentals. Many users expand into design services later. Number 6. Mobile phone screen repair machine. This machine is used to repair broken smartphone screens instead of replacing the entire unit. It separates cracked glass, applies new glass, and removes air bubbles. The process requires precision but becomes routine with practice. Small repair setups usually cost between $150 and $3,000 depending on features. These machines are used by phone repair shops and home-based technicians. Screen repair is always in demand because phone damage is common. Repairing instead of replacing saves customers money. Each repair takes a limited amount of time once learned. Spare parts are widely available. If you repair 5 to 10 screens per day, daily earning potential can realistically reach $100 to $250. Trust and quality are essential in this business. Many operators build loyal customer bases quickly. Number 7. Shoe repair machine. This machine helps repair soles, heels, stitching, and surface damage on shoes. It works using sanding, pressing, and polishing components. Compact machines usually cost around $800 to $2,000. Shoe repair focuses on extending product life rather than replacing it. Customers include working professionals and families. Repair jobs are small but frequent. Materials are inexpensive and easy to store. One machine can handle multiple types of repairs. With steady walk-in or local demand, you can complete many small jobs per day. If you handle 10 to 15 repairs daily, realistic earnings are around $80 to $150 per day. This business works well in urban or residential areas. Consistency and speed matter more than scale. Number 8. Electrical extension cord manufacturing machine. This machine cuts wire, attaches plugs, and assembles extension cords. It works in semi-automatic or automatic modes. Small production machines usually cost between $2,000 and $4,500. Extension cords are used in homes, workshops, and offices. Demand stays stable year-round. The process involves measuring, stripping, crimping, and testing. Safety standards must be followed carefully. Materials are sourced locally or in bulk. Production can be scaled gradually. If you assemble and sell a moderate batch daily with a safe margin, daily earning potential is around $100 to $200. This business suits operators focused on consistency and quality. It can grow into contract manufacturing over time. As you can see, starting a home business doesn't always require big ideas or big factories. It requires the right machine, steady demand, and consistent execution. These 8 machines prove that small setups can create real income when used correctly. Start with one machine, learn it well, and build from there. If you found this useful, stay connected and keep learning. The right machine could be closer than you think.